Welcome to Sfax, everybody. This is the Great Mosque behind me. I'm in the Medina wandering around, or rather I've just stopped to have a coffee that they've bizarrely put a straw in. Yeah, it's like 8 AM I think, and we are going to be spending all of today wandering around this beautiful city, hunting down hotels and restaurants and bars and museums and any other things that might be of interest. So it's going to be quite a lot of walking, I think, because it's a very big place. But anyway, so far the Medina's very impressive, and I really like this cafe. This is Cafe Karim, I think. No, Cafe Kamor. Cafe Kamor. So anyway, they've got this upstairs area which offers perfect views of the Great Mosque. Onwards. Well, I'm now at the synagogue in Sfax, and as you can see, it seems to be in a rather sad state of disrepair. So it all seems to be locked up and abandoned. I love this grill work with the Star of David on it though. But yeah, look, all overgrown. You can see that the stained glass windows are up there, all smashed. Yeah, a bit of a shame really. Whoa! Jesus. And there we've got the pigeons, seem to have colonised. Oh look, you can even just see another Star of David in the stained glass windows over on that side. Yeah, I didn't realise this was disused, but yeah, it's all locked up, so no chance I'm getting in. But there we go. We are now here in the Museum of Traditional Architecture here in Sfax. We've got displays here explaining exactly how all the buildings here were put together using traditional materials and also building styles. We've got the religious architecture room. Oh, this is handy. All of the religious sites within the actual Medina. I wonder how many of these I've already walked past. So we've got mosques that are currently active, we've got the masjid, the zawiya, mausoleums, and the musallas, although I'm not sure what they are. And this must be the Muslim version of a pulpit, where the imam stands to give the sermon. We're now in the gallery dedicated to the architecture of public buildings. We've got our displays in Arabic, in French, and also in English. Now we're into the ironworks. We've got an example of a traditional door here, and then we've got all the fancy fittings, gates and locks, and hinges. We've reached our final destination for today, which is the War Cemetery here at Sfax. Front gate's locked, so we're going to have to walk in through the Christian cemetery next door. And you can see, as with a couple of the sites that I've been to, such as Thibar, the older kind of colonial-era cemeteries aren't very well looked after at all. So this one's a little bit messed up, but anyway, I can see over the fence and I can see that the War Cemetery is very well looked after, so let's see if we can walk in the back entrance of that. George and Catherine Bell, 1902 and 1924. Canizzo. Okay. 1944. Giuseppina Missione. Well, 1868, 1953. Okay. So there's some Italians here. Interesting. Let's wander around to the military side. Gugino. Chopin. What do we got here? Bianchi Antoine. What? Russian? Is that right? Russian Navy, 1944. Ghirlando Biagio, 1942. Okay. Indian Forces graves, right? And then I think we got 1,204 people here. So it says they're from World War I and World War II. Oh wow. 1,254. 52 unidentified. I wonder who the World War I casualties are here. Let's see if that registers here. No. Patterson and Carter, both 21 years old. Once again, I have to say congratulations to the Commonwealth War Graves Commission, because this is a beautifully maintained site. From looking at the website, it would appear that there's only one World War I casualty. So you can actually look up all the casualties on their database quite easily. So the World War I casualty here is Jan Mohammed, who was a sub-assistant surgeon in the Indian Subordinate Medical Department. And he died 25th of June 1917. I'm not sure why that meant that he ended up here. I wonder what was happening here during World War I that involved the Indian troops. I'll have to look that up. We have a Jewish grave. We've got a good 50 unknown soldiers as well, such as this one. Right, let's go and check out my room. Ooh, need a bit of electricity. There we go. So apparently this is a room upgrade. We got the bed, we've got the safe and the fridge, views of Sfax down there, our TV. Another view, you've got like a kind of small living room area in here. Another window, and then let's go check out the bathroom. All fully disinfected, as you can see. Whatever that is, like hairdryer. And quite a big shower. Yeah, I like it. Just noticed we actually have two TVs. So you can one TV for watching in bed, and then one TV for when you're hanging out in the living room. Although actually, could technically lie on this side of the bed and watch both TVs at the same time. Excellent.